In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and deploy your first AI app with Lovable.dev, no code needed. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and look for the official result on the Lovable.dev domain. Click through to the site so you're in the right place to build. This keeps things simple and helps you avoid lookalikes. Once you're on the Lovable homepage, create a new project. The heart of this workflow is the prompt you give Lovable because your prompt drives the screens, the components, and even the data model it generates for you. Think of the prompt like a blueprint. Describe the app's purpose, who it's for, the primary actions users should take, and the key pieces of data the app needs to track. Paste a clear, scoped prompt into the project setup. Keep it specific and focused on a single use case so the AI can produce complete screens with meaningful props and a sensible data model. Name the entities you care about. Outline the fields each should have, and mention any relationships between them. For example, if your app tracks items and categories, say that explicitly and note which fields belong to each. A concise, structured prompt will help Lovable render full UI flows rather than vague placeholders. Next, connect a backend so your app can store real data and handle auth and file storage. You have two straightforward options. Lovable Cloud is the fastest path for prototyping because it's built in and requires minimal setup. If you want more control and a production-ready stack, choose Supabase. With Supabase, connect your database, map the generated data model to actual tables, and switch the app from preview or mock data to your live storage. Be sure to use environment variables to hold API keys and other secrets instead of hard-coding them. This keeps credentials safe and makes it easy to change them later. If your app includes authentication or file uploads, enable those services in your chosen backend and link them in Lovable settings. When everything looks good in preview, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button to deploy your app. Lovable will package your project and give you a shareable link you can open in a new tab. From here, you can come back, refine your prompt, adjust your backend mappings, and publish again as you iterate. That's it. Search for Lovable, craft a strong prompt, connect your backend, and publish. You've just built and deployed your first AI app without writing code.